When we public comment this evening, Jake Walczak, welcome forward.
Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. My name is Jake Walczak, and I don't know how to appropriately address you all, but I appreciate what you do, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to speak. I am a Grand Rapids public school Montessori father of 3 with 1 on the way, and I was asked by my 8 and 6-year-old sons to attend this meeting because, in their words, it is not illegal to share my opinion and that I should make an effort to get rid of masks in their school classroom. I am here to ensure that this board hears from its concerned citizens. I also happen to be a clinical laboratory scientist and have studied and am proficient in immunology, virology, and infection control. I understand there's currently a mandate put out by the KCHD regarding the use of masks in the classroom, and my one simple goal is to encourage you to not comply with this mandate and to instead empower parents to choose how they should keep their children safe. COVID poses almost no risk to our kids at all. 4.2 million children have tested positive for COVID, and a total of 0.008% of them have died. The real health issues facing our children today, according to the CDC, are accidental death, cancer, and suicide. The flu has a safe and effective vaccine available, but sadly, hundreds of children still die a year from that disease, and never have we ever considered making masks mandatory in school. If this was so deadly and dangerous, why do I need to be convinced by a health department or a government official? As far as the actual efficacy of a child wearing a mask, my 6-year-old can literally wring out the snot and spit and sweat from his mask after school, and we should all agree that this isn't doing anything to slow the spread. Yet you're satisfied to place this burden on children anyway, and why? It's not to keep the kids safe, because they are safe. It's not to keep the adults safe, because they can all get vaccinated if they want to. The dirty rags in my kids' faces aren't for the kids. They're for your security. They're your security blanket to uphold your image as virtuous, because unvaccinated kids are less likely to get sick than vaccinated adults.
1 minute.
Thank you. I recognize that asking you to not comply could have more implications than I am honestly familiar with, but I will leave you with this quote from Martin Luther King. An individual who breaks a law that conscience tells him is unjust and who willingly accepts the penalty of imprisonment in order to arouse the conscience of the community over its injustice is, in reality, expressing the highest respect for the law. And I thank you for your time.
Thank you very much for your comment this evening. I believe that was Raven Harris, but I would like to